What up? We are here at SM Marikina to celebrate the Father's Earth. Double chin, sorry. Oh shoot! Look at the lighting. Look, where am I? Kaya maganda yung lighting kasi ito sa labas. Sa may parang malapit sa labas. Grabe. Grabe guys, alam mo sobrang daming tao dito as in wala kami mapili ang kainan pero we decided na mag-antay na lang kami sa Max. Okay, nag-iintay pa din kami. Tagal. Miss. Ay! Sanay naman na mag-iintay eh. Hey! So guys, I'm planning to buy a new case again. I don't know why. But this one is so cool. Because of the color, I think. Oh no, copyright, copyright. So I got my case and I don't know if tapos na yung pila doon kasi sobrang haba talaga ng pila doon sa Max. Tapos ewan ko, ito yung case ko. Nice. How was it? Comment down below if maganda yung case and sana makapasok namin sa Max. Please, please. So hungry. It's already 1:50 PM and di pa kami kumain. So and we're still waiting. I'm so hungry, as in sobra talaga. Oh, grabe. Pasok din. I'm so hungry. Yes, we have our food. We're done eating. Yes. Yes. Here. Ang sarap kumain. Woo! I think after eating, pupunta kami ng Loyola kasi bibisitahin namin si Lolo. Kasi nga, di ba? Father's Day. So, hey, lighting is good. Alright, dito na kami sa cemetery. Lolo, Happy Father's Day.
Lolo, Happy Father's Day.
Lolo, baliw. Wala mo, ang ganda.
Daddy, Happy Father's Day.
Wala, ang taas naman namin. Woo, so hot.
Woo, ang dami.
Lola. 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 Miss mo na si Lolo. Namimiss mo na si Lolo. Wala sagot. Namimiss mo na si Lolo.
Ako ba kinakausap mo?
Oo.
Oo, siyempre naman. Every day and now and then.
Wow! So sweet! My brother is trying to do a flat lay thingy.
Tapos, ano kayo gagawin niyo dyan?
Anong gagawin mo dyan sa mga ano, highlighter mo?
Hindi.
Ginagamit mo ba sa school yan?
Bisa dyan.
Oh, photography skills. So guys, my lola thought that yung highlighter is yung pang sigarilyo kasi highlighter. Gets nyo? Nag-gets nyo yan? So yan, tapos na kami dito sa sementeryo at Bukas guys, bukas yung first day of school ko. Oh my gulay. So paano ba yan? Hindi ko na alam paano gagawin. Kinakabahan ako na ewan ko ba? Basta yun na yun. Sa mga pupunta ngayon. Ayun, uwi na kami. Tas ako, punta ako sa barbershop kasi kailangan ko magpagupit. Guys, tingnan nyo yung buhok ko. Like, ilang months na to. Tas yun, I'll be back na lang pag nasa barbershop na ako or sa salon na ako. Alright, bye. So I'm done and I'm on my way home. So guys, tapos na ako magpagupit. Oh my golly, ang ikli. So ayun, I'm on my way home na para mapag-edit and pahinga na rin kasi kinakaba talaga ako para bukas. Okay, bye muna. So ayun, kakauwi ko lang galing sa salon, not barbershop. So, oh my golly. Bahala na, haba ka din naman ulit. So ayun, Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga daddy nyo. Sana nag-enjoy kayo ngayong araw and ayun, pasensya na if medyo maikli lang tong vlog na to pero well, I'm trying to do a daily vlog. So ayan, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And always remember to follow your dreams, and if you dream it, you can do it. Bye! Dab Squad! What's up guys? So dab with me, alright? 3, 2, 1, bye!
Bad things, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god, that's my baby, Caroline.